Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So let me just kind of film this one first. So this is actually Sao Paulo ruins in the background, and this is a and the park goes around. Direction of Macau. Let me see, we'll go around here. And so yeah, this is one giant fortress. All the cannons everywhere. So we are gonna go up that way in a moment. But right now it's kind of interesting. There's this one taxi driver who's blocking all the traffic. So he's right there. He's blocking, waiting for somebody to pick somebody up. So that was kind of interesting. And now everybody else can go. So yeah, he stayed there for quite a while. He's just on his phone, waiting for a passenger, but he's blocking all the traffic when he was doing it. So this is Sao Paulo ruins, and that was kind of interesting. And we're gonna be walking up towards this park, going up to that cannons and such up there. So it should be maybe interesting. So finally all the traffic can move. That's the back of Sao Paulo ruins. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just walk up in this space and go all the way up into this park area and film as much as we can. And this is going to be our focus. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so the park of the fortress of Mont. So let's just get going up there. Open all day. Mont Fortress Park. So we're gonna check out that statue first. So let me just kind of film this one first. So this is actually Sao Paulo ruins in the background, and this is a Mateus Riki, I believe is the pronunciation. Mateo Riki. So this used to be a giant, used to be a scholar, so he studied Chinese script and then he wrote it into the Bible, and then he was into Chinese, wrote the Bible into Chinese, and he's kind of well known because he would wear Chinese clothing, and he would, it's kind of like one of the first, I think he's a Jesuit, so one of the first to bring the Bible. Now the cars are moving freely, but now there's all the tour groups. All these people coming up, they're tour groups, so they're coming in from these buses that are all the way over there, and they're all coming to see Sao Paulo ruins, which is one of the main attractions in the city. Okay. So we're going to be going up, and we'll try to see as much of the park that we can. So I think, let's see how that all goes. There's Macau Museum is over there. You can take an escalator that goes up to the top. But what we're going to do is we're going to kind of navigate through the park streets itself. Okay, so got all these park benches everywhere, so people can come up here. I think it's open 24/7. I'll see people in this area sometimes. And so actually we could take the elevator that goes all the way up to the top, but because I copied the street sign, I feel more obligated to you can see some people going up. So I'm kind of regretting I didn't do the anyways. So you can see we're going to be up there in a minute towards that fortress. Exercise equipment to the right, and then we have all the sitting places to the left. That's our fortress up there. The only reason I'm walking this way is because of the camera. There's if you go through the museum part, there's an escalator that takes you all the way up. This is the difficult way. Okay. But now we're going to get up to the next ring where we're closer to the fortress part. Sort of. That's it up there. That's the Riki school right over there. Oh man. I'm gonna turn the camera off. Okay, so here's all of our cannons. This is also part of the park. And you can see stuff, all the ruins down that way. This is the road, the sidewalk I just skipped. I figured you wouldn't see much if I... And now you can see all the cannons up there. And the park goes around. I really want to go up there and show you, but I also want to do the park. Yeah, you can see all the cannons up there. This park goes all the way around. Oh, they're Korean as well. I've heard a lot of Korean today. I did do another video where I started and I went into here. I'm gonna go around the park. The reason I want to do this is because I want to capture streets exactly as they are. And if I don't do the whole street, then you won't really see what the street is exactly. So even though up there would be more interesting, of course, you do get some views up here. And then you can still see I'm still on my same target street, right? So I'm still on Parque de Fortaleza de Mont. And then the theme is the fortress with all the cannons. And then the other part of the theme is that you're seeing this park with all these park benches and such that people can sit on. And I think right around the corner, I think, is a very popular spot to take Instagram photos. We'll see if anybody's around the corner right now. Wow, not today. But usually what they'll do is they'll stand right here and then they'll take a photo with oh wait, where'd it go? So there's Macau Tower over there, and then there's Grand Lisboa. Is that the spot they take it from? No, sorry. It's another spot. There's another, that's probably why we didn't see anybody right there. But you can see this kind of park goes all the way around, and there's not too many people going around it, so it's kind of peaceful. You can come here at any time and kind of relax. Beautiful banyan trees. I'm just gonna walk all the way around the park, and I think I might even go up to the top and just kind of show you the fortress part 2. Just put it all in one video so it's all together. There's Kyungwoo Hospital over there. There's a musician up here as well. I walked down that one about a month ago and filmed it, maybe 2-3 months ago. There's Kyungwoo straight ahead. Park Fortress. So that's looking towards the northern direction of Macau. Let me see, we'll go around here. And we just came around another corner. I think we're going to be seeing Sao Paulo ruins, and I forget where that photogenic shot is at. It's on one of these corners. That right there is a rooftop. I think the dog saw some birds or something. Oh, the birds are making noises. The birds up in the trees are squawking. That's the northern part of Macau up that direction. That's interesting, these little things that stick out. I guess that's for the water to drain out. I see a few of those around. Okay. Another person walking a dog. So yeah, this is the Fortaleza Parque de Fortaleza de Monte. Yeah, it's nice. Macau has a lot of these little hilltops like this. There's like Guia Hill, there's a bunch of them in Coloan, there's a couple of them in Taipa Grande, Taipa Pequeño. There's little mountains where you got nice green space. There's a Grand Lisboa straight ahead. I think if I remember right, I think the Grand Lisboa is they usually get an angle of that one from some particular location. You see Macau Tower in the background. There's a couple cats too. Oh, it's like 2 cats. I don't know if those cats, the dog is really friendly to the cats. So Sao Paulo ruins, so we're gonna get a view of Sao Paulo ruins in a minute. There's a fortress. You can kind of see that little opening down there. So we're gonna turn around and look at Sao Paulo ruins when we get up to the space up here. And then we're gonna go up to the top. So we started right in that area. Sao Paulo ruins is still hidden by the trees a little bit. And I think I climbed the stairs on that side. Yeah, I climbed the stairs on that side, so that was the one I turned the camera off. Okay, so we're gonna head on up that way now. Sao Paulo ruins. So we're still in our park. Then we're gonna conclude by going up to the top. Then we're gonna go up there. So yeah, this is Mont Fortress. And we're gonna go to the right, and then we're gonna overlook everything. Okay. So now we're on top of the fortress. Over there, there's an escalator. We gotta take an escalator up. Would have been really quick and easy. But then I wouldn't have been able to show off the park though. Okay. So there's all our cannons. We're just gonna go all the way to the corner over there. See how these just gonna go all the way up to the top here. So now you can kind of see everything. So yeah, this is one giant fortress. All the cannons everywhere. And on that note, we're gonna end it. So that was our fortress. And all that greenery is the park everywhere around here. Okay, so hopefully kind of interesting. We'll end right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.